Valentine's Day, so let's get some stuff done. We're gonna have a Valentine's brunch. We have been very sick over here. We're just now getting over it, which is why I sound a little nasally. But we need to, you know, bring some joy up in here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this breakfast started.
You're my sweetheart. When you're around, I feel the sparks takes me higher, sweetheart. Let me be close to you forever, ever, darling. You're my sweetheart. You're my sweetheart.
Well, hello everyone. We are back. We got Valentine's Day haircuts. Everybody got a haircut, so we're looking good. We went to Walmart and we got a whole bunch of ingredients because we're going to be doing Alfredo, chicken Alfredo. We're gonna do some breadsticks and then we're gonna finish with some apple pie. We're gonna make the apple pie. We bought just the basic filling, the crust, nothing crazy. But we do have special things. First off, we have this pasta that I got at Aldi's. Look how cute! It's like little heart-shaped pasta. It's adorable. It is so, so cute. So we're gonna definitely use this pasta. And then for our pie, I also got this pie crust roller. And it has these little hearts, like look at it. Oh my gosh, how cute. It was on sale for $1.50 and I got it. So I have to switch the roller, clean it, put it on here, and then make some apple pie.
Money gets you everything.
friends, today is a new day and you guys, we have got to reset this house. Valentine's has come and gone. It's time for St. Patty's Day. So it's been quite a bit of a mess here. We have been sick. What's new? And you know when you're sick, the house just kind of turns upside down. Everything is everywhere. We need to just, you know, organize a little bit. So without further ado, let's start cleaning.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
All right, guys, we are officially finished cleaning. All I have to do is sweep and vacuum, but we'll do that off camera. This wraps up this week. Let's see what this next week holds, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.